back to my channel, and today I am gonna show you guys how I organize under my kitchen sink. And today is actually the first time I am doing this since I've lived here, and I thought it was about time that I show everyone how I clean under my kitchen sink. So this is me just pulling out different products that I've brought over the years I've lived here. And I have an obsession with shopping at Target, and I will just go into Target and just browse in the cleaning products and just buy whatever I can and just pile it up. It is very hard for me to throw away some of the products, but I love it so much and I love cleaning. I clean almost every day. It is just a habit that I've always been in, and I just love things to be organized, and I thought it'd be a good idea for me to just organize everything. And now I am just cleaning under the sink, and yes, there was a little mess on the side with one of the products, so I was using one of the products to clean the bottom of it so it would look better and it would smell better.
I'm scared of being seen, I'm scared of saying what I mean, 'cause every word is a window into my vulnerability. I wanna find it in myself, to be brave and not pretend, to find a little forgiveness for what I didn't say then. So what I didn't say then, I'll say it now. Say it now. I'm gonna open my mouth and let the words fall out. I'll say it now. I wanna give myself permission, I don't wanna hold it in. I wanna stand and speak my truth, no matter how hard it is. No blame, no shame.
So now I am just using the rest of the baskets that I had left over from my other video, from when I did organizing under my bathroom sink, and I am just putting them together so then I can put my products inside the baskets.
On my chest, I gotta lay to rest. I'll say it now. Say it now. Say it now. Oh, say it now. Oh, say it now. I'm gonna open my mouth and let the words fall out. Oh, say it now. I'll say it now. I'll say it now.
Could break it down, get up on the floor. Dancing could break it down, get up on the floor. Dancing all the time, but baby, you on my mind, and I don't know why, but the feeling is fine. Can't you see, you're honey, you are for me. Oh, we were meant to be, dancing.
Now that I finally put everything in the cabinet, it looks nice and more organized, and this is the end result of it being cleaner and not being a mess and not being able to find any of the products. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notifications every time I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching.
Dancing.